Somewhere beneath your feet, right now, an invisible network is alive. Connecting plants, moving nutrients, even sending signals between organisms. Forests are not just collections of trees. They are interconnected systems. And at the center of this hidden world are organisms most people never notice, mycorrhizal fungi. This is not just a partnership. It is one of the most important ecological systems on Earth. Plants appear self-sufficient because they produce their own food through photosynthesis, but underground, they rely heavily on fungi. Mycorrhizal fungi attach themselves to plant roots and extend far into the soil through microscopic threads called hyphae. These threads act like an extended root system, reaching areas the plant cannot access. Through this network, fungi absorb essential nutrients such as phosphorus, nitrogen, and trace minerals from the soil. In return, the plant supplies the fungi with carbon compounds produced during photosynthesis. This exchange is not random, it is a highly regulated biological trade system shaped by millions of years of evolution. Both partners benefit, and both depend on each other for survival. Mycorrhizal fungi are not just nutrient suppliers, they physically shape the soil itself. Their hyphae bind soil particles together, creating stable aggregates. This improves soil structure, allowing better airflow and water retention. Healthy soil is not just loose dirt, it is a complex architecture. And fungi are its engineers. Without these networks, soil becomes more prone to erosion, compaction, and nutrient loss. In many ecosystems, the stability of the land itself depends on fungal activity beneath the surface. A large portion of the carbon fixed by plants does not remain in the plant. Instead, it is transferred underground to mycorrhizal fungi. In some ecosystems, up to 40% of a plant's carbon can be allocated to these fungal partners. This carbon can then be stored in the soil for long periods, effectively removing it from the atmosphere. This makes mycorrhizal fungi an important, often overlooked component of the global carbon cycle. Their activity influences how carbon moves through ecosystems and plays a role in regulating Earth's climate over long timescales. The underground fungal network does more than transport nutrients, it connects plants to each other. Through these connections, plants can exchange chemical signals. A plant under attack from herbivores, for example, can send warning signals through the network, allowing nearby plants to activate defensive responses before they are attacked. In some cases, resources can even be shared between plants, especially from stronger individuals to weaker ones. This interconnected system has been described as a biological network linking entire plant communities, transforming how we understand plant behavior and interaction. Mycorrhizal fungi help maintain diversity within ecosystems. In nutrient-poor environments, many plants would struggle to survive on their own. Fungal partnerships allow a wider range of species to coexist by improving nutrient access and reducing direct competition. This prevents a few dominant species from completely taking over. As a result, ecosystems supported by mycorrhizal networks tend to be more stable, more resilient, and more diverse. The presence of these fungi can determine which plants grow, where they grow, and how ecosystems evolve over time. Long before animals dominated land, the first plants faced a harsh and nutrient-poor world. Their survival depended on forming alliances, and mycorrhizal fungi were among their earliest and most important partners. This ancient relationship helped plants colonize land and transform the planet into the complex ecosystems we see today. Even now, every forest, every grassland, and every patch of soil carries this legacy beneath the surface. What looks like a simple plant above ground is actually part of a vast, hidden system below, a system that quietly supports life on Earth.